For starters, you can't just go to the health food store and buy an off-the-shelf amino acid product and expect it to work. Why? Because I found out that you can't just take amino acids willy-nilly. You have to take the right amino acids in the right combinations and right balance. Let me explain how this works. You already know that proteins are made up of amino acids. Some of these amino acids are made up by your body all on its own. But there are 8 amino acids you have to get from your diet. These 8 are called the essential amino acids. You'd think that if you take all 8 essential amino acids, your body would turn all of them to protein, right? That's what we always thought, because that's what we learned in school. But like many things we learned in school, there's more to the story. It turns out that we can't just take those 8 amino acids. We also need to get them in the right balance, because otherwise, we may end up with too much of one amino acid and not enough of another. To illustrate this concept, imagine you owned a bicycle factory, and imagine you had plenty of handlebars and seats and frames, but you only had one pair of tires. Well, it doesn't matter how many of the other parts you have. If you only have one pair of tires, you can only make one bicycle. The rest of the parts go to waste. That's the same thing that happens when you take amino acids in the wrong balance. Remember earlier when we mentioned that when you eat meat, your body only gets 32% of the protein. The reason is that the amino acids in meat are not in total balance, so the extra aminos get turned into sugar. Fortunately, there is a solution to the problem, taking the 8 amino acids in the exact right balance. How do we know it's the right balance? Because it came from Mother Nature that way. Learn more at drinkbc6.com today.